Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. I previously attempted Igari Japanese makeup. This time I want to try Thai makeup as a black girl. So sit back and enjoy. I'm going to first start with my skincare. As we all know, good skin, great makeup. I'm starting with my toner pad. This has AHA and BHA, salicylic and lactic acid. These are exfoliants. Normally I like to use it at night to prevent photosensitivity, but because I'm going for a glowy look, I decided to use it now. Next, I'm going with my moisturizer to hydrate my skin. Honestly, I would recommend this moisturizer. It's lightweight, it's hydrating, and it also brightens the skin. I'm applying sunscreen for protection, but I'm also applying it because I know it does make my skin glow. I love Korean sunscreens because I hardly experience white cast. It's lightweight, it makes my skin glow, and most of them have SPF 50. The next clip will be the video I'll be using to help me create the Thai look.
Thai makeup is trending and it's giving Victoria's Secret bombshell hotness, so let's recreate it.
I did my research about Thai makeup, and what I do know is that they're a mixture of American and Korean makeup. Correct me if I'm wrong. So like the makeup is more like a soft, glowy, glam makeup look. I'm going to start with my primer from e.l.f. By the way, if you feel like I'm looking there, my mirror is right in front, so yeah. When you make content, you find different ways to place your camera. Before, when I placed my camera, I just couldn't really see myself, and now I have like a shoebox and a mirror, and it's just the perfect placement. Now I can clearly see myself on the camera, and I clearly see myself on the mirror. Ooh! So because I want that glowy look, I'm gonna go for the Rimmel London primer highlighter glow booster, and I'll go for my normal foundation, which I always use. I'll put this first, then put the second. This is not my shade, you know, it's like contour. This is the first time I'm actually using this, you know. This was my sister's, but it wasn't really her shade, so she gave it to me. I don't think it's my shade. I think I'll probably use this as a bronzer kind of thing. Skin is looking good actually. I don't know, I look darker, do I? But anyways, it's fine. I'm not really going out, so I'm just doing it for you guys. So my eyebrows is done. I'm gonna go with my foundation now. Flat brush to just spread that around. Now I'm going to go with my dense brush. I also like to use my foundation just to clean up the concealer. I'm just so happy that it's spring. Like, look at what the weather looks like outside. It's so pretty, but it's still cold.
We're gonna skip the contour and go straight into concealer since it's a softer, less structural look.
She didn't put contour, but I want to put contour just a tiny bit. Just gonna pull that down. I'm just going to also create that button look on my nose. And I'm blending with an angle brush.
Skip the contour and go straight into concealer since it's a softer, less structural look.
I'm going to use her concealer placements. Why there though? I never really put concealer there. Just put it there, there. I'll let it sit for a minute and blend.
coral toned blush for this look and placing it on the center of my cheeks as opposed to doing a lifted blush.
She did her blush first before setting her concealer. So I'm going to use Made by Mitchell. What blush should I use? I want to mix them. And she puts it in the middle, in the center of her cheeks. I'm just going to make sure I leave the blush in the middle rather than extending it. I'm gonna bring it over.
Gonna use a fluffy brush instead of a powder puff to set so that the skin's glow can peek through.
I'm using the Huda Beauty Cherry Bake. Keep forgetting to apply spray. Now I'm moving on to the eye. I used the Beauty Bay, this one here. This is Pal. What she did is that she used a pink eyeshadow and brought that there. She used like a neutral pink.
Small messy wing with gel liner, dark brown to smudge out the wing.
I'm gonna use this instead. Honestly, doing eye makeup on me is going to be so annoying because I blink a lot. I'm gonna fuck that up a little bit. I'm gonna use this.
Taking that leftover brown to darken the aegyosal.
I'm gonna use this color Cookie for my aegyosal. I know she used like a darker color, but I'm gonna use a lighter one.
I'm gonna take the shimmer shade and place it right in the middle here, also on the lids.
I'm gonna go for this shimmer bangle. What do you think? I feel like this makeup is a flop, I can't lie. She also placed it on the lid as well. Mascara. Do you know what? It's looking cute. You know, I see the visions. I'm gonna put my lashes and get back to you. I don't know, should I put a liner inside?
Dabbing and blending my lipstick for a soft and blurred lip look.
Looks like she used a brown lipstick. I don't have a brown lipstick, but I can create one. Let me put a little bit of concealer on my lips. Like so. Look, I'm just experimenting, okay? After that, I'm using my eyebrow pencil to line my lips. Then I went with my Hourglass Lippy. And this is the color Invite. I'm going to use a different shade of brown. So I'm going to use this brown. I normally use the brown pencil I use for my eyebrow, but this I'm going to use a different brown. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, now wait. Oh, I'm gonna use this Made by Mitchell Cuff Case bronzer. I don't like that. Oh, yuck. I don't like this. I'm gonna use that one instead. This is also Hourglass, but I'm using Color Wonder. What is going on today? I'm going to take more of the bronzer. I don't know. What do you think? I will take the pink, the lighter pink, and put it in the middle to see if it does anything. Just a little bit. Oh my gosh, I feel like I look ridiculous.
Lip look, a bit of highlight onto the Cupid's bow.
Highlight by Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to put that there. Place it there. I look cute. I'm going to put highlights there. Okay, I'm done. Let's set our face. And this is the finished look. This is what Thai makeup looks on a black woman. I'm not sure if this makeup really suits me, but I still find it really cute. Okay cuties, this brings me to the end of this video. What do you think about this look? Is it slay or is not slay? I feel like it looks cute, but then I feel like I'm not used to it. If you have a Thai friend or if you're a Thai girl yourself, tell me what you think about this look, okay? If there's any other look you'd love me to recreate, comment down below as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you love more videos like this, check out this video where I recreated Korean makeup look. Bye.